Would you believe if I'm telling you right now, this talking head footage is shot entirely with a webcam? You probably expect it to look as bad as this one, but no, it's still really sharp and my face still has a good contrast, and even in the background it's kind of blurry, feels just like using one of these DSLR camera. And you know the crazy thing is, when I start moving, it keeps following me and make sure I'm always in the center of the frame, which is kind of insane. I've been testing these two new webcams from Insta360 in the past few weeks. This is the Link 2 Pro and this is the Link 2C Pro. So in this video, we're gonna go through its cool feature, what makes them so special, and whether it actually makes sense to getting one of these as your webcam. So first question, why would anyone even want one of these? Well, there's a few cases. Sometimes your computer just doesn't have a built-in webcam, so these things come in pretty handy. The setup is super simple. It's literally plug and play. Just connect it with the USB-C cable, snap it onto the magnetic mount, and you're good to go. No extra setup or software needed. Both the Link 2 Pro and the Link 2C Pro are also really light and compact, so they won't mess with your monitor or anything over time. I even use it with my MacBook sometimes just to upgrade the camera quality. Because let's be honest, the MacBook webcam doesn't look that great. To give you an idea, here's a quick comparison when both are set to similar resolution and lighting. And I know this comparison is kind of unfair. I mean, how can this teeny little camera compete with a proper webcam that has a much larger sensor, dual native ISO, and HDR support across different resolution? But because of all that, the image from the Link 2 and Link 2C Pro just look way more clean and balanced, even when the lighting isn't great like this. The camera will automatically adjust the exposure to keep everything looking as natural as possible. And when I'm saying upgrade my Mac webcam, it's not just about the image quality, but also the sound quality. This webcam has 4 different mic modes, which is pretty rare on the market right now, because most webcam only give you one basic mic pickup and usually omnidirectional. On the other hand, it's quite flexible on the Link 2 Pro series. You can actually choose what pickup fit with your environment. Original and standard works great if you are in a quiet setup, but if you are in a noisy space like a coffee shop or your office, wide and focus are much better options. So right now, behind me, I'm playing a podcast video to simulate a noisy and a group discussion with 2 other people. Tim Cook in the back, as you can see. So the reason why you can hear like both my voice and their voice, because we are now in the standard mic mode. I'm gonna switch to the focus mode to see the difference. Let's switch it here. So I just turn on the focus mode and now you probably hears the difference. Mostly the camera just picking up my voice instead of their voice, which is right behind me. And this feature is kind of insane. I love it. And I wouldn't make this whole video just to show you this camera has 4K resolution and how good the audio quality is. That is kind of like a base and a standard for most webcam nowadays. But there's actually a lot of cool features from the Link 2 series that I want to show you. And one of them is autofocus. Both the Link 2 Pro and the Link 2C Pro use face detection autofocus, so it keeps you sharp and separate you from the background, whether you are sitting still or moving around. The focus speed is also really good. If you want to focus on something, just bring it to the center of the frame and the camera switches focus almost instantly. It's fast and accurate. Another small thing, but I think it's matter to a lot of people, is privacy. Nowadays, turning off your webcam isn't feel safe enough. You want that extra peace of mind. And with the Link 2 series, they actually thought about that. On the Link 2C Pro, you can manually close the lens to black out the whole thing. And on the Link 2 Pro, you can just tilt the camera down to activate the privacy mode automatically. The next feature, and probably my favorite, is the AI tracking. You can do a bunch of real-time stuff with it, like body tracking, zooming in and out, or even locking onto something like a whiteboard. And at this point, I actually think this doesn't feel like a webcam anymore. This feels like a tool for content creators. So let's say I'm making an educational videos. Having these set up like this make my video is way more dynamics. So first of all, I'm gonna raise my hand to activate the tracking mode. And as I'm start walking around the scene, this video now feels a lot more alive. Feels like I have my own cameraman. And as you can see, I have my own whiteboard right behind me. And because this is the educational videos, then I have to show to my audience anything, right? So right now, I'm gonna show the V mode gesture to get this camera to focus just on the whiteboard, and it will scan a little bit. And when it's detect, it will automatically zoom in. So I can now writing or showing to my audience anything in the whiteboard, which is so detailed and easy to moderate with just a few simple gestures. In another scenario, you are creating drawing content. So using desk view mode is actually a great way to show off your work to your audience. There's also the Insta360 Link Controller app, which gives you a lot more customization. You get full control over things like background, filters, and even makeup effects. There's also an image tab where you can manually adjust how your webcam looks. You can either leave it on auto or tweak everything yourself and save it as a preset for a quick access later. So now the question is the Link 2C Pro or the Link 2 Pro. Both webcam gonna give you the similar image quality. The only difference is how you plan to use your webcam. Like if you are someone who mostly sits still during meetings or calls, then the Link 2C Pro probably make more sense. I like it, it's more compact but still give you that sharp image and good audios. Plus the price is pretty reasonable. But if you are doing videos with a lot of movements like walking around, teaching, using a whiteboard, basically anything more dynamics, then the Link 2 Pro is the one to go for. The built-in gimbal will help you keep everything smooth so you can move freely without needing someone behind the camera. Also, if you already have the Insta360 Wave, then the Link 2 Pro is a really good combo. There's this feature called speaker focus on the Wave, so whenever someone talks, the camera automatically turns toward them. It literally feels like having a cameraman right at your desk. Another thing I really like about the Wave is the AI summary. You can record your meetings or conversation and then use AI to turn everything into a clean bullet point summary. That is actually super helpful. There's a lot more the Insta360 Wave can do. I'll go deeper into that in the upcoming videos. So yeah, if you are looking for a webcam, a professional webcam for your computers, your Mac, definitely check out these two. It's worth your money 100%. Also, Insta360 is running their spring promotion right now with a lot of good deals. So I will leave all the links in the description for you to check it out. Thank you all for watching and I'll catch you soon in the next one.